Hi guys! Well, I got this really awesome glass container, glass jar at Walmart. It was $3 on clearance, so of course I had to get it. And I'm gonna make some lemon and spearmint infused water. Wait, it's not spearmint, it's spearmint. Okay, anyway, doesn't matter. It's this herb right here. It's minty and delicious and good for you. So we're gonna put it in here. It has all kinds of detox properties and healing properties, anti-inflammation and all that good stuff. So we're gonna put the spearmint in there, and I cut up 2 lemons that I had. So we're gonna put those in there. And then we're going to fill it with water. This is filtered water. You can use alkaline water as well. I'm spilling all over the place. Oh well. It happens. So we're going to put some of that in there. And then I'll drink this throughout the day because I don't know if you guys know, but I have this syndrome called Sjogren's. And what it is, it's an autoimmune disease, and it basically sucks the water out of me. And my skin is very dry and everything kind of dries up. So I have to stay hydrated. I get thirsty a lot. So I'm constantly having to drink lots of water. So I forget. So then at the end of the day, not feeling well and I get headaches because I don't drink enough water. So I figured this would be a good way for me to remind myself to drink water, because what I'll do is I'll put it on the kitchen counter where I see it every time I walk by, and then I'll just take a drink. Hopefully my kids will drink some of it too, because this is so good for anyone. Lemon has alkalinizing properties as well as the mint. Okay, so I'm going to put just a little bit more water and then I'll cover it up. But that's how you do your lemon spearmint infused water. I was debating, I was talking to my kids and asking them, is it spearmint or spearmint? And I can't figure out. I know they told me, but I think it's spearmint, but it doesn't matter. You know what I'm talking about. All right, and there is my lemon infused water for me to enjoy all day. I hope you guys are having a great day, and hope you like my channel.